Attacking a well-prepared defense never ends well. This video proves it. Russian tanks and APCs are stopped by mines, javelins, and FPV drones. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's begin. A group of Russian tanks and APCs moves in for an assault. 7 vehicles in total, 3 tanks and 4 APCs. They regroup in this small settlement before the attack. In just a moment, this Russian tank is about to transform. The operator arms the lever and fires a Javelin missile. A drone confirms the hit. As we zoom in, we see the tank is destroyed, but for the enemy, this is just the beginning. A second Javelin is fired. A direct hit triggers a massive detonation. The third Javelin missile shoots into the sky. There's the target. A perfect hit. One APC tries to retreat. The fleeing enemy is targeted by Ukrainian troops with an RPG. Meanwhile, the last tank is maneuvering and returning fire. Until this happens, that hit sends a message he won't survive. The next missile, the previously hit tank, detonates. Its multi-ton turret is launched into the air. The drone captures the burning remains of Russian tanks. The APC confidently approaches the tree line. It makes a maneuver to deploy Russian infantry. The troops begin their assault. The operator needs time to lock on. The APC turns around and starts to pull away, and then the operator fires a missile. Boom! The APC is blown to pieces.